In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get OneDrive files back. If you accidentally deleted something from your OneDrive or things just seem to be missing, don't worry. This walkthrough will help you recover them quickly and safely. Start by opening your browser and heading to Microsoft's official OneDrive page for personal cloud storage. This simply ensures you're in the right place to manage your files online. From there, look for the option that takes you into OneDrive on the web. It's usually a clear button or link that opens your files. You might be asked to sign into your Microsoft account. That's expected. Just use the account tied to the files you want to recover. Once you're inside OneDrive on the web, locate the recovery area. You'll see an option or icon that leads to OneDrive's restore tools. In many layouts, this appears alongside the navigation and may look like a restore or unlock style icon. Click it to open the restore experience. This section is all about bringing back deleted items or rolling your OneDrive back to a recent point in time if needed. Next, click Restore. If you're using OneDrive's Restore feature, it will analyze recent file activity and prepare to undo deletions, renames, or changes from the selected period. It doesn't modify anything outside of your OneDrive and is reversible if you need to adjust again. If you see a confirmation prompt, review the summary so you know what's being brought back, then continue with the restore. This is the key moment where your files are returned to their original locations. After the restore is complete, go back to My Files. This returns you to your main OneDrive view so you can verify that everything is where it should be. Give the page a moment to refresh if your library is large. Restorations can take a bit longer for big accounts or many items. Finally, click the highlighted file or folder you were trying to recover to confirm it opens correctly and the contents look right. If you recovered a whole folder or a group of files, spot check a few items just to be sure everything restored as expected. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. OneDrive typically keeps deleted items for a limited time, so the sooner you try to restore, the better your chances. If you're on a work or school account, your organization's retention policies may affect what's available to recover. And if you don't see what you need right away, allow a few minutes and refresh My Files before checking again. That's it. Your OneDrive files should be back. Thanks for watching and take care.